School of Art, Design and Media, Nanyang Technology University, Singapore, are located in Jurong West, Singapore. About site background, a rich heritage, national monument on campus gazetted as a national monument in 1998, and now housing the Chinese Heritage Center, the beautiful restaurant from Nanyang Administration Building. As about site content, from the strategy and its location, it took a lot of measures to design this building in accordance with the national sun orientation as their ideal way to build an open space university. And it is situated from the main city. There is no natural shading from the surrounding building except for the location natural vegetation. The constructor built the building with a proper orientation by placing the facade facing north and south to minimize solar gain. After they achieve the right orientation for building, the facade is fixed with glass curtain wall. Thus, the purpose of almost shaped courtyard in the middle of the building is to provide natural lighting into the interior. Raw concrete material and finishes. Concrete is high energy efficient. Its thermal mass and ability helps in absorbing and retaining heat, which help in cutting heat and cooling bills. And number 2 is exposed facade. The facade of the building is an expensive curtain wall facade of the building is an expensive curtain wall facade of high performance double glass. The combination of high insulation foam, quick compression seal and double glass unit give a level of thermal efficient that is unsurpassed. And the number plus, dense geometrical rust turf.
So roof raising program is provide students with an interesting venue for work, play, interaction and creative thinking, or is simply place to watch the surrounding landscape and enjoy the sunset. Auditorium and lobby is near to the main entrance. The entrance into the school is located off a landscape drop-off, which is created by the unfolding arms of two intervening blocks. For the concept of library, they use the yin and yang design in some ways epitomize the competing demands places on libraries by users today. This chic and creative library is mainly lit by natural light. The interior create an informal, friendly and pleasing ambience befitting a communal facility for the learning spaces. The Art and Design Media at Nanyang Technology University was launched in January 27. The library is set within the School of Art, Design and Media. The activities on library can be seen by these pictures such as collection area, study area, sitting benches and flexible seating. This accommodation is provided to students to make some research and their studies.
Okay, continuing about the building orientation. The building is surrounded by three buildings of similar height. Courtyard may induce positive or negative wind pressure at the time depending on wind direction and intensity. The whole building is airtight and fully mechanical ventilated. Natural ventilation does not play an important role inside the building. As the curtain glass wall is orientation to the north and south, there is no full exposure from the sun as it is only direct to the courtyard. Ventilation system applied in the building is an air condition system. Let's apply the environment-friendly air condition system City Multi-Series. Each indoor unit can be personalized by applying this system. And then you can see the lighting system use energy saving light. You can see the perspective of building is covered fully glazing. Energy saving light has been used in the university building as employer fluorescence lighting by better lighting due to few reasons.
Fresh air analysis. Windbreak are commonly used to protect outdoor areas. It can be fences or plants. In this case, the windbreaks for Nanyang University School of Art, Design and Media is the plant and the building itself. There are approximately 40 plants has been planted and arranged into row. The gap between the plants are arranged around 3.5 to avoid the roof of plants intersecting and interrupt has been cut too much by very close planting. It will affect the surrounding temperature rises. It would be better to regenerate a stand of approximately 40 adult trees to cut the wind speed more frequently. This strategy has been applied by this project. The effect of windbreaker influences by height of the plants, distance of the plants to the center of facade and windbreaker length. The windbreak pattern is shown as in the diagram. According to a space, I will show you almond-shaped courtyard. The courtyard expands access to daylight and cooling effect. It provides natural light into interior spaces as well as in providing cooling properties from the water attribute, exuding a serene environment and emanating a refreshing breeze that cool the courtyard. Okay, the picture shows windbreaker pattern on section BB. As you can see, point A, B, C and D. Point A, before the wind reaches the plants, it slows down and builds pressure and turns upward and sideways. Point B, it passes the obstacle plants, it increases in speed and reduces pressure result at the side of and behind obstacle. Point C, the wind runs smoothly through the roof curve. And finally, point D, the air pressure is lower, hence the air velocity is higher. This diagram shows how rainwater harvesting system is working. Nanyang University School of Art, Design and Media has a large surface of green on its roof, which enable the building to serve as water catchment areas in Singapore itself. Undergoes tropical climate and there is plenty of rain all year long. The rainwater absorbed by the green roof, preventing water runoff from the curved roof. After the rainwater is filtered by the green roof, the water is transferred to the gutter and then down to the filter system underground. The rainwater will be further treated and then pumped back together with the pulp water for potable water, which is also grey water. There are 5-layer green roof technology. They are using a valent waterproofing membrane. Basic design included the consideration of thermal transfer in terms of convection, conduction, evaporation, absorption and radiation in design to achieve thermal comfort by manipulating natural surrounding. These are two important basic design has been selected to be analysed. Green roof reduce water runoff from heavy rain. During heavy or continuous rain, runoff can possibly damage waterway and rainwater harvesting system. Green roof is energy efficiency, improve air quality and provide extra space.